Heute stellen wir euch einen noch recht neuen Indoor-Freizeitpark vor. Tom Foolerys Adventure Park ist Teil des Kalahari Resort in Round Rock, Texas. Das Resort eröffnete im November 2020 und bietet neben den Fahrgeschäften und Arcade-Games auch eine Bowlinganlage oder auch 2 Escape-Games. Außerdem steht im Kalahari Resort der zweitgrößte Indoor-Wasserpark des Landes. Um ein richtiges Resort zu sein, braucht es auch Übernachtungsmöglichkeiten. So gibt es hier knapp 1000 Hotelzimmer, 5 Restaurants, Einzelhandelsflächen und ein Kongresscenter. Nun wollen wir aber mit euch einen kleinen Rundgang starten.
Starting off here on the left, this will be the trophy room. So if y'all end up playing any games today, this will be where you can redeem any of those tickets for prizes or get any kind of assistance with the games as well. Walk along down the main walkway here. We're going to have our kiddie rides over here on this side. That's going to include the Puppy Pulsar, Star Force Orbiter, and the spinning teacups at Flynn's Powerfuge. We'll also have, of course, some of our other games here. Hang Time is very new. We have our water gun game as well. And this will be that kiddie area right here to the left that I mentioned. Center on our other side, these will be some of our main attractions. I think 2 of the ones that y'all are most interested in for today. For example, our maximum velocity drop tower. It's able to seat up to 12 passengers at a time. And then very popular. Oh yes ma'am. And then our Screamin Centipede here as well. Hello. With our 360 spinning head. And then of course we have our 4 main body carts as well. And that's again, like you mentioned, one of our main ticket items here. Yeah. As well, and against our back wall we're going to have Tom's Time Machine Laser Tag Arena, our Cave of Mirrors, kind of like an optical illusion type maze, and then the XD Dark Ride, which is kind of like a 5D video game experience. Ooh. There's 2 different game options. There's going to be Gigamon, which is kind of like fighting aliens in the city, and then Los Bandidos, which is kind of like a Wild Western robot shootout. So it's great options for the kids. And I see a couple of those here. And because it is Tom's Time Machine, it does have that whole time travel type experience. So once you do enter inside the arena, there's a few different areas, all of it of course in black light, and it's quite cool. That Cave of Mirrors that we mentioned right here. And like I mentioned, the XD Dark Ride as well. And then looking up right here, we're also going to have our ropes course. We do have... Yes ma'am, there's 2 levels up there. I want to say more than 36 different options for the different paths that you can go across. Some of the elements do move. And then of course we have 2 zip lines here as well. And then of course we have to have a mini version as well for our younger guests. They also have a zip line there too.
Oh, okay, smaller one.
And it's, I gotta say, really amazing, easily one of my favorite attractions. I've seen as many as 3 generations of the same family go up at the same time, which I think is pretty cool. Rock climbing. That's going to be again where we have a couple of different options for rock climbing walls, some of which even light up, some of them that are again a little bit more challenging, right? I feel like a good challenge for the high ropes, and it does use an auto belay system there too. about 250 different arcade games. Circling back to our main attractions here, were you interested in trying our drop tower first, or maybe the Screamin Centipede? Rollercoaster first? Okay.
Ein Ride, der hier noch nicht vorgestellt wurde, ist Red, Wide and Woo. Ein neuer Zamperla Nebulas, der zu unserem Besuch noch nicht ganz startklar war. Das Kalahari Resort ist mit all seinen Attraktionen das ganze Jahr über geöffnet und bietet wirklich für die ganze Familie gute Unterhaltung. Die Rides fahren immer ab 11 bzw. 12 Uhr und das bis 22 Uhr oder freitags sogar bis 23 Uhr. Für einen Daypass, um immer wieder alles fahren zu können, zahlen alle über 1,7 Meter $49,99 und darunter $29,99, also rund 48 bzw. 28 Euro. Stand Juni 2022. Auch wenn der Park auf uns eher wie der Besuch der Japan-Messe nur ohne Aussteller wirkte, konnte man trotzdem beobachten, dass der für einen Montagabend sehr gut gefüllte Park die Gäste durchaus zu begeistern wusste.